You just got to create your own joy. Welcome to Creating All Things Joy. I received these plants that I ordered from Amazon. They're plants that clean the oxygen in your home. Order these from Amazon and they'll send you 4 plants. I got 3 varieties. And we're going to get started. You're going to need some potting mix. You're going to need some pots. I got these from the dollar store for $1. Now they're $1.25. I got some plastic clear dishes from the dollar store to put under to catch the drainage. I got something to make sure that I water the plants. We're going to use distilled water. It's better than using the tap water. Use a mask. There's some nasty stuff coming out of this dirt and manure. Have some gloves. Put down some plastic. Catch the dirt. And I received these plants from Amazon, so I'll have it linked down at the bottom. They came in this box and they're wrapped in this paper and bamboo stick to keep the plants from jostling around. I got my pots and my potting mix and my water and everything together. Now the pots I had to punch the holes in so that we can have the proper drainage for each plant. These 4 plants with the potting mix, you don't have to do anything. You just get the potting mix, put a little hole in there. You're going to take the plants out of the pots that they came in, squeeze it a little bit so that you can loosen up that dirt, loosen up the roots a little bit, and put some more dirt around it to stabilize it. Put a little water on it. And also, these plants are very low maintenance. They need very little water. All of these plants need indirect sunlight. I received the snake plant, better known as the mother-in-law's tongue. And I received Dracaena. I received 2 of the ZZ plants. The ZZ plants. ZZ plants don't want anything to do with any direct sunlight. If so, it will kill them. These plants clean the oxygen of harmful pollutants, mainly the benzene and formaldehyde. It's found in practically everything. Glues, paints, furniture wax, cleaners, your detergent, any strippers you may use, tobacco smoke, gasoline you may be storing somewhere. The formaldehyde is in your countertops and your floor tiles, particle board, pressed wood. So we have these chemicals that's just coming out of everything within our home, the places where we're supposed to be safe. So we have to do as much as we can to detox. And so these plants will definitely help detox the air in your home of these harmful chemicals. Sometimes you might find out that there may be some of the things that are causing some of these allergies or asthma and things that we have going on. It's because our own home is killing us. So we're going to do what's necessary to help keep ourselves healthy. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. I always look forward to your comments, and make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when other videos are uploaded. And just as Costa Farm says, plant your happy place. Until next time, you just got to create your own joy.